I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Hello everyone, thanks for joining Avitech Learn. So today the video going to be very interesting where we're going to learn Windows shortcut keys. Stay in the video till the end. I guarantee each and everyone who's watching this video, it will help you if you stay till the end of the video. You're going to learn something new in this video which will help you in your work, whichever the field you are. So let's start with the first alphabet letter. The Windows A is nothing but it is a managed notification. I hope some of you know already how to manage the notification in the system. Usually you'll get the updations, system updation, software updations, and sometimes it will be popping the message at the right side, right? You want to clear the notification which is not required with help of this shortcut key, Windows A. When I press Windows A, you can see at the right side, if you have any extra notification, you can delete here. You can click this clear all notification, you can clear the notification. So all these options you can manage by pressing Windows A. What is the system tray? The system tray is nothing but, you can see here in my taskbar there is a options at the right side. This part is called system tray. All the basic options is the system tray. So when I press Windows B, you can see here I'm pressing Windows B, it will take me directly on the show notification. With the help of the arrow mark keys, you can access the icons. So when I press enter, it will show me the date, it will show the calendar. So this is how you can manage with the help of the Windows B key, that is system tray. Before showing the shortcut key of Windows D, I want to show you one more shortcut key, that is Windows R. I'm going to press here Windows R. It will take me directly to the run command. Here I'm going to type your application like Notepad is already there. I'm going to enter here now. I have entered Notepad. I'm going to open one more application with the help of the Windows, the run command. So now I'm going to open here WinWord. You can see here I can open one more application. WinWord is nothing but MS Word. Again Windows R, open here Excel. So I'm going to open multiple applications on the screen where I can minimize all the application at one time by pressing Windows D. If you know the application name, you can type here, you can open directly with the help of the run command. I'm going to write here now PowerPoint, Power PNT. As you see the screen now, I have 4 applications open now. So whichever the application I want, I can access. But I want to minimize all the application by pressing Windows D. I can minimize all the application at one time. This is the one advantage. If you open multiple application, you don't know how to minimize all the application at one time. But just pressing Windows D, you can minimize all the application. Now when I press Windows D again, all the application will come back on the screen. Again you press Windows D, you can see I have minimized all the application. The next shortcut key will help you to open My Computer, File Explorer. If you don't have My Computer on your screen right now, you can see here I have hidden the My Computer. Just to show this option, I have removed the My Computer on my screen. I want to open My Computer. How to open My Computer? Now I'm going to press Windows E. I'm pressing Windows E here. When I press Windows E, there is an option called File Explorer. See on the top here, there is a File Explorer. There is one more name for the File Explorer is Windows Explorer. So now I can access whichever the file, whichever the drive I want here. Now I'm going to click on this PC, My Computer. So this is the one best option. If you don't find My Computer on the screen, you can open easily My Computer. I don't know how many people will use this shortcut key if I teach this one. Usually this option will help for the gamers That shortcut key is Windows G. I have pressed Windows G. As you see the screen, I have your widget option. With the help of this option, the gamers will know this option, how to use it. This is the one option where they can control the game. To record your voice in your original language, Windows H. So when I press Windows H, you'll get this option where you can record your original language. There are some settings we have to do. So I'm going to make one more video regarding this. So just I'm showing the Windows shortcut keys here. I hope you people done some settings in the system. To open the settings is Windows I. So when I press Windows I, it will take me directly to the settings easily by pressing Windows I. If you want to connect your system to other devices, this option will help. That is Windows K. This option will help what type of the device is connected to your system without wire, that is wireless. So the Miracast you need to install. If it is not there in your system, you have to install the Miracast, and whichever the system you connect with the HDMI, anything, whatever you connect wireless, show you exactly what type of the device is connected to the system. Right now I open my system. I leave my system now. I'll go and have my water. I'll come back. But meanwhile, if someone comes and sit in my system and do the work, even though they make the changes in my system, I don't know what are the changes they made. So before going to have my water, if I lock the system, it will be good for me as well as for my system, right? So for that, I'm going to lock the system by pressing Windows L. So when I press Windows L, you can see my system got locked. If you people have protected your system with the password, no one can open unless you people give that password. This is the best option where you can lock the system by pressing Windows L. So I'm going to open this. Right now I'm not given any password. When I press Windows P, you can see here I can connect the project. I can see a PC screen only, or the duplicate. I can make the duplicate. I can extend it, or the second screen only, where this option, most of the IT people will be knowing this option if they are using this option in their work. Next option what I'm showing is run command. The run command I already showed you. When I press Windows R, some of you already know this option. So this shortcut key is very useful to open the application. If you know the name of the application, exactly you can type in the run command, you can open easily the application. This is the best option. You should know if you are working in the system. So the next shortcut key is Windows T. What if you people want to access this taskbar without touching the mouse? How useful, right? So if you want to access this taskbar without touching the mouse, when I press Windows T, I can access the icon what is there on the taskbar. So with the help of the arrow key, I can access easily. The next shortcut key is I want to change the display of this. Usually what we do, I want to change the background of this. We'll right click on the desktop, we'll change the display setting. What if I know the shortcut key to change the display setting? So for that, I'll press Windows U. When I press Windows U, what are the changes is required for the display setting? I can make it easily with the help of this option. The next option is very useful. Some of you people don't know this option. So before showing you this shortcut key, please do like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel if you're new for this channel. I hope till now, whatever you have watched, the shortcut key, it will help you somewhere in your work. But what I'm showing you, so this will help you more than this, whatever you have learned till now. So now I'm going to open this MS Word. I'm going to write here. Right now I don't have the words to write. What I do, there is a one formula is equals to rand, open bracket and close bracket. So I got some text here after typing that. First paragraph, first line, second paragraph, third line, and third paragraph, second line. So how to copy this one? I can copy this way. I can copy this. Then I have to hold the control Again I have to select this. Again I have to hold the control. Again I have to select this. So this will take long time, right? I want to copy means what happens? Again I have to copy. See, I'm going to copy this all. I'm going to click, right click, copy. I want to paste it somewhere here down. Paste. So we got this one, right? In what if I want to copy so many sentences in between, and it should be kept somewhere in the safe place. Whenever I want, I can paste it. For that one, we have amazing shortcut key, that is Windows V. So this is called clipboard. When I press Windows V, I got your clipboard. You can see already copied here. Now what I do, I'm going to select this. I'm going to select this. Control C. After that, I'm going to select this one. Control C. I'm going to select this. Control C. So when I press again Windows V, you can see here all the text got copied here. So whenever I want, I can copy this. Whatever I want, I can copy easily. I can paste wherever I want. Again, I'm going to press here Windows V. You can see here I got the clipboard. So if I want to apply this one here, double click, I got it here, right? So again, I'm going to press here Windows V. You can see I want only this line. I got the line. So this will help in your work. You can keep your work pasted somewhere in the clipboard. What I'm teaching now, this option will help you to take the screenshot of your screen. Lot of option to take the screenshot. We will press the print where we can go to the MS Paint, paste that. So that option is there. But what I'm teaching you now, this will help you to take the screenshot of the screen, as well as you'll get the whiteboard. So for this one, Windows W. When I pressed Windows W, after pressing Windows W, you can see here at the right side, down at the corner, just above the system tray, we have your full screen snip and whiteboard. So you can use any among these two for your work. When I click on the full screen snip, you can see I can take the shortcut key, I can save this one. So whichever the work you are doing, you just press Windows W, you'll get that option at the right side. You can use the full screen snip to take the screenshot of the screen. What if you're working in the system, suddenly you want some settings to be changed. You want to change screen, you want to change the timing, you want to go to the control panel, you want to go to run. Of course, all those options, just now I taught you with the basic options. Suddenly you forgot all those. You can press one key where you get all the options at the left side, which is required for you solve your basic issues. Now I'm going to press Windows X. As soon as I press Windows X, you can see at the left side apps and features, mobility center, power options, event viewer, system. All these options, somewhere it will help you to make the settings in your system and to work in the system, right? So this is the one option. We can go to the desktop directly. We can go to File Explorer. We can go to the settings, Task Manager. All these options, somewhere it will help in your work. So now what I'm showing you, this is very interesting. Whoever watching this video, 90% they like shortcut key. Now as you see the screen, I have opened and kept your notepad. I want to minimize the screen and maximize the screen, or if I want to close this screen, I can close it. So for that option, usually we go here at the right side corner, minimize, maximize and close, right? So if I do this option, you can see here the screen has become small. The notepad screen has become small. Now what I do, by pressing Windows right arrow key, you can see here I can place exactly at the right side. By pressing Windows left arrow key, I can bring it at the left side. Again, by pressing Windows down arrow key, I can make the screen smaller. Again, pressing Windows down arrow key, I can minimize it. Now I'm going to hold the Windows, press up arrow key, I can make again off screen, again Windows up arrow key. Now again I'm going to hold the Windows key, press up arrow key, I can make it maximize. So holding Windows key, you can do whatever you want with the one application. You can see here I'm pressing arrow mark right side, left side, up arrow mark, down arrow mark by holding the Windows key. If I press it one more time, it will be maximize. If I press down, it will be minimize. To show the other application, you can minimize, you can maximize, you can place your one application at the left side, one application at the right side. I hope you people like this shortcut key. Because of eye problems, we may not see exactly what is there on the screen. Because of the small text font size, we may not able to see. For that one, we have the best option, that is called magnifier. So how to use this magnifier? For that, I'm going to use here one key called Windows plus. You can use, there are two plus in your system. If you're using the desktop, so hold the Windows key, press plus here. As you see the screen, I got the magnifier. With the help of the magnifier tool, I can increase the size of the screen. When I press this, I have your magnifier. When I click here, you can see here, I can increase the size of the screen with the help of this magnifier tool. So this is the best option. If you have any eye problem, if you're not able to see the icon what is there on the desktop or the text, I hope this will help somewhere in your work. The next key what we are learning is, you want to know my system configuration or you want to know your system configuration, right? I have the shortcut key where I can see the system configuration. This will help you to understand the configuration of your system. You might have sent some emojis to your friends, happy emojis and smiley emojis, hands up, hands down, right? That is done in the mobile. Why can't we do that one in the system? For that one, what we do is Windows. Next to L key, there is a one key called semicolon and colon. If you're looking at your keyboard right now, look at the L key. Next to L key, there is a key called semicolon and colon. So I'm going to hold the Windows key. I'm going to press that key, semicolon key. We'll get the emojis. You can see I got the emojis. I can access easily this one. Whichever the application I want, I can put it this emojis. Not only this one, I can press Windows even full stop. The same option I'll get. Two keys I'll get it. One is Windows full stop, or else you can use even Windows semicolon next to L key. Thank you very much for joining Avitech-Learn. I hope today I have taught you something new in my channel. Somewhere it will help in your work. Please do watch my channel. Thank you very much. See you all.